So we're now in Japan. I just checked into my hotel room. I'm staying at JR West Group via Inn Akasaka. Here's a little quick room tour. Have my safe, slippers. It's a very small room. TV. Have all the fridge and kettle stuff. Here's the bed. And then the bathroom is also small, but it's nice. Nice and clean. I think this hotel was just built November of 2022, so it's only less than half a year old. So everything is very nice. It is also what is it right now? It is also 10:53 p.m. So I haven't eaten dinner and I just arrived here, so I'm gonna go see what is open around here and go for a little walk. So let's go. So the nice thing with this hotel, we're connected to 7-Eleven, which is a big plus. How many places? There's another set. There's like all these local ramen shops right here. All look pretty good to me, not gonna lie. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, English. Start ordering. I think I'm gonna get the beef bowl. It's kind of late. Then you can get it. Let's go. I don't know how big it is. Let's go medium. Yoda. Less than $5. Just finished my meal at Yoshinoya. That whole meal set costs about $4.50 to 70 cents ish. So honestly, filling enough for the night. It's already 11:20, so definitely gonna go head back, shower, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. So today, I guess is technically, officially day 2. They do have buffet breakfast downstairs, but I had like dinner at like 11:30 last night, so thought it wouldn't be worth the money to get the breakfast today, so I just went downstairs to 7-Eleven, got a curry pan, and they had this frozen thing where you just put them inside this machine and it mixes a smoothie for you. So mango pineapple. So I'll eat this breakfast first, and then we'll head out and explore a little bit, see what Tokyo has to offer. First up, smoothie review. That's good. It's not sweet. Here's the curry bread. Something light, not too filling. I mean, it is deep fried, but that is good. I can honestly live off 7-Eleven here. So right now we are at Hie-jinja Shrine in Akasaka, and there's a decent amount of people here, and it seems like quite a few of them are locals, and they come here to probably do some daily offerings. So that's why there's some people going up there. But it's a cool local shrine close to my hotel. Now we're headed over to Shibuya, so we'll go to the Shibuya Crossing, and I'll be meeting up with my aunt and my cousins. So let's go to Shibuya.
The next stop.
Can I help you with something? Can I help you with something? I did it. Say hi. What's up? Nice picture, bro. Your luck is hard and that. Shibuya Street.
Yeah, that's a question I have. Actually, how to take a picture?
Look at that okra. So we just finished lunch at that place. I think it's pretty solid. Okay, what's the rating? What would you give the meal rating out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Okay, maybe like 9.
9? Okay. Marcus, what's your rating?
The karage could have been a little.
I think 9 out of 10.
And the okra a little less
9 out of 10.
slimy.
A little less slimy? Okay. Yeah, I think it's a solid 8.7
Also,
out
the
of
rice
10.
was a little salty.
And the rice, whoa, I don't know if that's a 9 then.
Okay, maybe like an 8.
Dude,
Okay.
I'm gonna be famous.
50 cents. With no surprise. $80 per piece. Okay. Hi, Sophia.
I'm his favorite cousin.
80 yen, which is what? It's like 50 cents per sushi? That's like,
I'm his favorite.
that's crazy for a standing sushi bar.
Favorite.
I think she wants aesthetic photo.
Is it good? How was it? Oh, no. Okay.
I record the next one.
What I do is put the wasabi on the meat, and you can dip it in this sauce or this sauce. Take a bite with some rice. Perfection, as they may call it. Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart